Welcome to Upgrade Your Auto's video installation guide. This video will show you how to install a chrome grille overlay. Before you get started, make sure to clean off any excess dirt from the surface of your vehicle where the grille will be installed. Next, grab some rubbing alcohol and a rag. Rub down the surface of your vehicle with the alcohol. This will ensure the best adhesion of the piece to your vehicle. Remove the protective film from the adhesive on the back of the piece. Carefully align the piece, then press firmly to snap into place. Make sure the piece has adhered completely to your vehicle. Congratulations! You have now installed your chrome grille overlay. For any additional questions or to view our other products, check us out online at upgradeyourauto.com.